Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video to share with you guys. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. One of my subscribers sent me some happy mail and I'm really excited. She actually DM'd me and she emailed me, but I saw the email first, so I responded to her and she said, Ellie, she's like, I love your videos and you inspired me to create my own merchandise. So I would be honored if if I could send you one. And so I said definitely, of course. I love everything that you guys share with me, especially if you've learned it on my channel. That's what my videos are for you guys to learn and create. And thank you for giving me the credit. I really appreciate it. So Emily sent me this. She has her own shop. It's called Growing Modestly. I will leave her Instagram handle down below in the description box so that you guys can check out her merch and let her know that I sent you if you're interested in purchasing anything from her. And yeah, so this is the happy mail that she sent me. I'm gonna go ahead and just open it right up. I've been holding on to this for a little bit because again I've been kind of busy. She also has her own sticker shop, which is really cool. I admire everyone that makes their own stickers. So here we have it. Let's open this one first and then we'll move on to the stickers. Emily, thank you so much. This was so sweet of you. I really appreciate it. She wrapped it up really nicely. Keep it nice and safe. Oh, it's a tassel keychain and it's blue. I love it. So if you guys know, I've made these on my channel, and again, Emily learned making these through my channel, and you guys, look at how beautiful this is. One, it is extremely chunky, which I love. I love me some chunkiness. And then she added some pearls going all the way around, which is a beautiful touch. And then she added a gorgeous flower that almost looks like a pearl. It has the keychain at the top for, adding the keys. And then she also added a little tag. It says Handmade Tassel Keychain. Oh my god, that is so cute. I absolutely love it. Emily, great job. Thank you so much for sharing one with me. I absolutely love it. And oh my gosh, it's just so fun and fluffy. I love it. Thank you so much. Alright, and then the next thing she sent are some stickers. It says, thank you for your order, Ellie. Thank you so much for allowing me to send some happy mail to you. I hope you enjoy the planner stickers, the handmade glossy die cut stickers, the bookmark, the tassel keychain. Your videos have taught me how to make these. Emily, XOXO. Oh, she's so cute. This is the little card she sent. I love the little pumpkins. And this is her business card, Growing Modestly. Really cute. And then she sent some die cuts. How fun are these? So this one has a little bee with flower. This one says, love yourself. I'm working on my crafting PhD. Projects half done. That is so cute. And then Maker's Gonna Make, and it has a little cricket with the Cricut tools. That is so cute. And then here is a page marker. Look at how beautiful that is. I love it. I'm gonna have to straighten it out in a book or something. And then she also sent me some super fun stickers. So here we go. These are some washi type border stickers. They're called washi stripes. And then these are some delicate florals. Look at how gorgeous these are. Beautiful. And then these are cool and chic. Oh, I love these. I've always wanted a book bag like that. Really cute. Look at the little water bottles, the rainbow with the tassel at the end, the Insta Polaroid, and then some cool chic to-dos, half boxes, headers, and some bullets. The best version of me is being myself. Really cute. Maker's Gonna Make. That is so adorable. I love everything about this little page. It has sketch all day, eat, craft, repeat, a crafter's work is never done. It has the cricket, the yarn, the washi. That is the cutest little sticker ever. And then again, Maker's Gonna Make. So it's a little set. Create, project, finish. Some half boxes, some bullets, some headers, a little quote sticker at the bottom. And then this is the neutral chic set. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at how cute. They have the little leopard print. Absolutely love it. Perfect for a little fall theme. And then Beauty in Blue. How cool is that? Oh, I love these. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the Craft Day. These are like functional stickers that I can add into my planner. Super cute. I love the little touch of the scissors. So again, here's like the little sets. I think, just to give you an up close, here we go. The Chic, Cool Chic is a set. Isn't that cute? And then the Delicate Floral Washi is a set. Absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh, Emily, thank you so much. I absolutely loved everything. Thank you for sharing it with me. You are super sweet. Please let Emily know how awesome she is in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!